Indian Air Force to induct new aircraft in 2019. 1. HTT-40. The HAL HTT-40 is an Indian basic training aircraft, designed and built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It will replace the Indian Air Force's retired HPT-32 Deepak as a basic trainer. Specifications: HTT-40. General characteristics. Crew, 2. Length, 10.5 meters. Wingspan, 11 meters. Height, 3.4 meters. Gross weight, 2,800 kilograms, 6,173 pounds. Fuel capacity, 450 kilograms. Power plant, 1 Honeywell Garrett TPE 331 12B turboprop, 834 kilowatts, 1,118 horsepower, derated to 708 kilowatts, 950 horsepower. Propellers, 4-bladed. Performance. Maximum speed, 400 km per hour. Range, 1,000 km. Service ceiling, 6,000 meters. G limits, +6, -3. Armament. Can be armed with a gun, rockets and bombs. 2. LCH Light Combat Helicopter. The HAL Light Combat Helicopter (LCH) is an Indian multirole combat helicopter developed and manufactured by Indian aerospace manufacturer Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It has been ordered for both the Indian Air Force and the Indian Army. Specifications. General characteristics. Crew, 2. Payload, 700 kilograms, 1,543 pounds. Weapons. Length, 15.8 meters. Rotor diameter, 13.2 meters. Height, 4.7 meters. Maximum takeoff weight, 5,800 kilograms. Power plant, 2 HAL, Turbomecha Shakti turboshaft 1032 kilowatts each. Performance. Maximum speed, 268 km per hour. Range, 550 km with weapons. Endurance, 190 minutes. Service ceiling, 6,500 meters, 21,320 feet. Rate of climb, 12 meters per second, 39.4 feet per second. Armament. Guns, 120mm M621 cannon on Nexter THL-20 turret. Hardpoints, 4, 2 under each wing, and provisions to carry combinations of rockets, 4 70mm AFZ rocket pods. Missiles, 4 2-round MBDA Mistral air-to-air missiles and 2 4-round Helena. 3. AH-64 Apache. The Boeing AH-64 Apache is an American twin-turboshaft attack helicopter with a tailwheel-type landing gear arrangement and a tandem cockpit for a crew of 2. It features a nose-mounted sensor suite for target acquisition and night vision systems. It is armed with a 30mm M230 chain gun carried between the main landing gear, under the aircraft's forward fuselage, and 4 hardpoints mounted on stub wing pylons for carrying armament and stores, typically a mixture of AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and Hydra 70 rocket pods. The R-64 has a large amount of systems redundancy to improve combat survivability. Specifications: AH-64AD. General characteristics. Crew, 2. Length, 17.73 meters, with both rotors turning. Rotor diameter, 14.63 meters. Height, 3.87 meters. Disk area, 168.11 square meters. Empty weight, 11,387 pounds, 5,165 kilograms. Loaded weight, 17,650 pounds, 8,000 kilograms. Max takeoff weight, 23,000 pounds, 10,433 kilograms. Fuselage length, 49 feet 5 in, 15.06 meters. Rotor systems: 4-blade main rotor, 4-blade tail rotor in non-orthogonal alignment. Power plant: 2 General Electric T700 GE701 turboshafts, 1,690 horsepower, 1,260 kilowatts each. Performance: maximum speed 293 km per hour. Cruise speed 265 km per hour. Range 476 km with longbow radar mast. Combat radius 480 km. Ferry range 1,900 km. Service ceiling 21,000 feet, 6,400 meters, minimum loaded. Rate of climb 2,500 feet per minute, 12.7 meters per second. Power mass 0.18 horsepower per pound, 0.31 kilowatts per kilogram. Armament: guns 130 mm 1.18 in M230 chain gun with 1,200 rounds as part of the area weapon subsystem. Hardpoints: 4 pylon stations on the stub wings. Longbows also have a station on each wingtip for an AIM-92 Stinger twin missile pack. Rockets: Hydra 70 mm, CRV 7 70 mm, and APKWS 70 mm air-to-ground rockets. Missiles: typically AGM-114 Hellfire variants, AIM-92 Stinger and Spike missiles may also be carried. Avionics: Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman APG-78 longbow fire control radar can only be mounted on the AH-64D-E. 4. Chinook. The Boeing CH-47 Chinook is an American twin-engined, tandem-rotor, heavy-lift helicopter developed by American rotorcraft company Vitol and manufactured by Boeing Vitol, later known as Boeing Rotorcraft Systems. The CH-47 is among the heaviest lifting Western helicopters. Its name, Chinook, is from the Native American Chinook people of modern-day Washington state. Specifications: CH-47F. General characteristics: crew, 3, pilot, co-pilot, flight engineer, a loadmaster. Capacity: 33-55 troops or 24 liters and 3 attendants or. Payload: 24,000 pounds, 10,886 kilograms. Length: 98 feet 10 in, 30.1 meters. Fuselage length: 52 feet, 15.85 meters. Fuselage width: 12 feet 5 in, 3.78 meters. Rotor diameter: 60 feet, 18.3 meters. Height: 18 feet 11 in, 5.7 meters. Disk area: 5,600 feet to 520 square meters. Empty weight: 24,578 pounds, 11,148 kilograms. Max takeoff weight: 50,000 pounds, 22,680 kilograms. Power plant: 2 Lycoming T55 GA714 turboshaft, 4,733 horsepower, 3,529 kilowatts each. Performance: maximum speed 315 km per hour. Cruise speed 296 km per hour. Range 741 km. Combat radius 370 km. Ferry range 2,252 km. Service ceiling 6,100 meters. Rate of climb 1,522 feet per minute, 7.73 meters per second. Disc loading 9.5 pounds per foot to 47 kilograms per square meter. Power mass 0.28 horsepower per pound, 460 with kilogram. Armament: Up to 3 pintle-mounted medium machine guns, 1 on loading ramp and 2 at shoulder windows, generally 7.62 mm, 0.308 in M240 FN mag machine guns, and can be armed with the 7.62 mm M134 rotary machine gun. Avionics. Rockwell Collins Common Avionics Architecture System CAAS MH47G CH47F 5. Rafale. The Dassault Rafale, literally meaning gust of wind and burst of fire in a more military sense, is a French twin-engine, canard delta wing, multirole fighter aircraft designed and built by Dassault Aviation. Equipped with a wide range of weapons, the Rafale is intended to perform air supremacy, interdiction, aerial reconnaissance, ground support, in-depth strike, anti-ship strike and nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale is referred to as an omnirole aircraft by Dassault. Specifications. General characteristics. Crew, 1 or 2. Length, 15.27 meters. Wingspan, 10.80 meters. Height, 5.34 meters. Wing area, 45.7 square meters. Empty weight, 10,300 kilograms B. 9,850 kilograms C. 10,600 kilograms M. Loaded weight, 15,000 kilograms, 33,000 pounds. Max takeoff weight, 24,500 kilograms, 54,000 pounds B, C, D. Fuel capacity, 4,700 kilograms, 10,400 pounds. Internal for single-seater, C, 4,400 kilograms, 9,700 pounds. For two-seater, B. Power plant, 2 Snigma M88-2 turbofans. Dry thrust, 50.04 kilonewtons each. Thrust with afterburner, 75 kilonewtons each. Performance. Maximum speed. High altitude, Mach 1.8 1912 km per hour. Low altitude, Mach 1.1 1390 km per hour. Range, 3,700 km with 3 drop tanks. Combat radius, 1,852 km on penetration mission with 2 CFTs, 2,300 L, 3 tanks, 5,700 L, 2 Scalp EG and 2 Mike AAMs. Service ceiling, 15,235 meters. Rate of climb, 304.8 meters per second. Wing loading, 328 kilograms per square meter. Thrust weight, 0.988 100% fuel, 2 MA-2A missile, 2 IRA-2A missile, version B. Maximum G load, +9, -3.6 grams, +11 G in emergencies. Armament. Guns, 130 mm 1.2 in GI-80-30, M791 autocannon with 125 rounds. Hardpoints, 14 for Air Force versions, Rafale B, C, 13 for Navy version, Rafale M, with a capacity of 9,500 kilograms, 20,900 pounds, external fuel and ordnance and provisions to carry combinations. Avionics. Thales RBE-2AAAESA radar. Thales Spectra electronic warfare system. Thales, Sagamo SF Optronique Sector Frontal Infrared Search and Track IRST system.